everyone, welcome back to my channel, All Things Michkiah. Today it's all about makeup. I recently purchased some new makeup items and I definitely wanted to do a video showing you guys how I use the items. I wanted to change up some of the items that I have, you know, the makeup items that I own, because I feel like you're dated and there's so many new products on the market. So yeah, these are just a few things that I picked up, and you know, if I like, I'll, you know, continue to buy. So definitely stay tuned and just see how I achieve this look. Okay guys, I already primed my face with my Maybelline primer. It says it hydrates and smooths, and I chose this one because because I have dry skin, so I want something to hydrate my skin when I am wearing makeup. So hopefully this works. It's the first time I'm trying it and I don't feel like I need to spend like a bunch of money on the primer because I really don't have bad skin. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is my Benefit eyebrow setter. I put it over my eyebrow once I've already applied my eyeliner. This is my Becca Volcano Goddess palette. I'm going to be trying these colors. These are the colors. So here I went from putting on my eyeshadow makeup to like a full face of makeup. My camera actually went out and I didn't know, and the person that was supposed to be watching clearly did not notice. We didn't know how much of the video was missing until we started the editing process. Tinkering with the idea of whether or not to upload it, I decided to go ahead and do so anyways, because I'll do other makeup video in the future and I can always look back at this and see how far I've come. So yeah, that's the reason why I went from eye makeup to a full face of makeup, is because my camera died. I hope you forgive that technical difficulty. Yeah, you'll definitely see the final, you know, look. Okay, so I'm gonna just quickly show you guys the products that I bought. This is a foundation by It Cosmetics. It's their Bye Bye foundation. The sales rep, he recommended this, that it's dermatologist tested and it has SPF 50 in it, so it's supposed to be good even if you're out in the sun. I don't know. I'm gonna have to wear this a few more times to decide if I really like it. So when you put it on in store, I still wasn't feeling it, but I said, you know what, I'm open to trying something new. So I put it on today. It didn't look bad, but I don't know. I guess I'm a creature of habit. I guess I just like my makeup forever. But I'll definitely continue using this because I'm not about to waste my money. So yeah, I'll let you guys know at some point in the future if I ended up loving this foundation or not. The next item is the Michkiah Cosmetics Volcano Goddess. How do I feel about this palette? First of all, I got a good price on it. It's usually sold for like $46 and they had it on sale for $28. And, you know, people tend to like Michkiah Cosmetics. I've never owned one, so I was like, you know what, since I'm getting it on a sale price, I'll just try it. The palette is okay. I just wish like these two shimmery. I guess that's my only issue with it. I like that eyeshadows. I'm not too into like the glitter stuff or the shimmer stuff. I might do a little bit, but it's not my thing. So yeah, I like the colors. I just wish they were. Okay, so I picked up two Morphe lipstick. This one is in the color Bloodshot, and this one is called Nibble. I initially put on the Nibble, like you'll see. No, not the Nibble. Bloodshot in the video, like you'll see, like you saw. Yeah, but I didn't really like it with the look that I had on, so I put this over it, and I thought it looked way better. Plus, it made a good fall combo. Yeah, so yeah, I like the lips way more, like much more, compared to like just wearing the Bloodshot. It's a beautiful color on its own, but for the look that I have, it just was, I didn't feel it personally. So yeah, but one thing I will say about Morphe is that they are super affordable, and I definitely could be getting a bunch of Morphe stuff. Their brushes are inexpensive, their palettes are inexpensive, like matte lipstick quality for $10. Like, come on, that is amazing. Yeah, so the final product that I have that I bought and tried is this setting powder that I got, and it's from the brand Too Faced. I can say from jump that I like this product, but I didn't like it for what I bought it for. I asked for a highlighting powder, you know, like, you know, when you highlight your face and you put that powder over it to set your highlight. I think that's the that's the product I asked for, but I don't think the guy was getting what I was saying. I don't think he did, because this looks like more like a finishing powder, like, you know, when you have your foundation on and you want to put it all over your face. Like, it's pretty, I like it, I'll definitely keep it. Not that I'm turning makeup artist, but yeah, I'll definitely use this, but not for the purpose that I wanted it for. Like, I'll definitely put it all over my face because I like the glow it gives, but I'm gonna have to go back and look for something to set my highlights. So yeah, those were the only 4 products I'd say that I purchased to try. All the other stuff that I used in makeup, video, or stuff that I personally owned already, and they were not part of it. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye!